Dermaplaning and the importance of professional training. When it comes to dermaplaning, proper training is of the utmost importance. While the idea of achieving smooth, radiant skin may be enticing, it's crucial to understand that this technique requires a certain level of expertise. A comprehensive dermaplaning training course can equip you with the knowledge and skills that are necessary to perform the procedure safely and effectively. Why is professional training essential? Dermaplaning involves the use of a sharp scalpel to gently scrape away the dead skin cells and fine vellus hair from the surface of the skin. The precision required to perform this technique without causing any harm is not something that can be mastered overnight. Professional courses provide you with the guidance and actionable skills needed to develop the proficiency and confidence required to perform dermaplaning correctly. Now, you might be wondering about the cost of professional courses. While it's true that high-quality training does come with a price tag, think of it as an investment in your skills and future success. By enrolling in a reputable dermaplaning course, you are not only gaining knowledge, but also increasing your earning potential. Clients are more likely to trust professionals who have received proper training, and this can lead to a thriving dermaplaning business. Moreover, professional training helps you to stay up to date with the latest techniques, tools, and safety protocols in the field of dermaplaning. The beauty industry is constantly evolving, and by staying informed, you can ensure that you are providing the best possible service for your clients. Additionally, many dermaplaning courses offer certification upon completion, which can further enhance your credibility and open doors to new opportunities. Now that we've established the importance of professional training, it is also essential to ensure that the training program is reputable and taught by experienced instructors. Look for courses that cover topics such as dermaplaning techniques, safety measures, and proper protocols. Reading reviews and seeking recommendations from fellow professionals can help you make an informed decision. Online dermaplaning courses have gained popularity in recent years due to their convenience and flexibility. These courses often provide comprehensive modules and practical demonstrations. Remember, investing in your education and professional growth is always a wise choice. With the right knowledge and skills, you can master the art of dermaplaning and embark on a rewarding career in the field.